Guys, I just got my Sentro knitting machine in. My first one broke, and so I figured I would open this on camera for you, and then we can assemble it together. It's not really a first impression since I've already owned a Sentro knitting machine for over 2 years. But yeah. So let's go ahead and just open this bad boy up. I got mine on Amazon. I think it was $85, and it shipped with Prime within 2 days. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and pull her out. Okay. She brings your instruction manuals. A quick little manual, extra yarn, all of the pieces that you'll need for your Sentro, some more yarn. Yeah, so let's go ahead and put her together. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started. This isn't my first rodeo with this, as you know. This is my second Sentro. My first one I had for really like two years almost. And you know, they're toys, so I get it. They're all plastic. They're not really meant to last forever. My counter went crazy, and I tried to open her up with my husband, and it was just a hot mess. So these are the legs. Comes with all these little extra needles. And you can hear my kiddos in the background. Okay, so you want to flip her over. And we're just going to go ahead and pop the little legs in. You should just pop right in.
I just pre-put
it. Okay. These are the little screws that we'll put into these little holes right there. These little suction cups go at the bottom. We'll add those in later.
That's Daddy's for nebulizer.
Oh, it's magnetic, so that's nice.
I should put the back. I should put the back.
Okay.
I'm going to kill. I like the candy there. I like the...
You don't want to go too tight because it is plastic, and I don't want to strip the bolt or the screw, whatever you want to call this.
Gummy. I got a gummy there.
It's really nice that they supply you this little screwdriver, though.
What?
Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. put these last two off camera, and then we'll proceed to the next. Alrighty guys, let's add these little suction cups to the bottom. They take a little bit of like elbow grease to get in there. I have to ask my husband to help me push that in all the way.
To decorate my stuff. Decorate my Happy New Year stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I definitely
Okay.
isn't Happy New Year's coming up.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Way to go.
Okay, so now let's add the tension guard, which goes up front.
Way to go.
I don't remember how this one goes. I want to say goes up. Yep. Just like so. Can you see that? I hope you guys can see
That's
that.
squishy. Why don't you squishy?
That way if it gets caught, it helps it. Okay, perfect.
Now it's done.
Oops. See, I lost a suction cup.
Sorry, it's done.
I don't remember my first Sentro being this suction-y.
It's done.
Okay. Well, I gotta get these off. But this is the setup of the Sentro. And I will do a detailed video. If you guys aren't following me on TikTok, I do a lot of tutorials on there, but I do plan on doing some on my YouTube. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys have any questions on anything. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!